Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. With the weather looking so good, barbecue is definitely on the cards. Today's recipe is on how to prep the steak for a good grilling outing with friends and family. For me, simple is good. Here I am using a simple all-purpose dry rub of spices and massaging it into the meat so that the flavors can get deep into the meat. If you can, massage the dry rub spices 4 hours before grilling so the spices can seep deeply into the meat. Especially if the meat is a thick cut, keep in the refrigerator until it's time for grilling. I was using the dry rub spices and you can find a lot of choices on the racks. Spicy, citrusy, sweet, garlicky. Different people have different preferences, and so check out the wide variety of store-bought, all-purpose, dry spice rub choices. The paleo keto one sure caught my attention. If you don't want to get these store-bought dry rub spices, some salt, pepper, brown sugar and olive oil can do the trick. For a fancy spice mix, put together spices like chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, kosher salt, some brown sugar and pepper. This spice mix can be stored in the refrigerator to be used on any type of meat. The rib-eye steak was grilled on Mother's Day and it was tasty. The family was pleased and asked for more. I saw this Memorial Day special and definitely is planning another barbecue cookout again for the family on Memorial Day weekend. Try it out, the spice rub, and try this recipe. Thank you for watching and hope this helps you create a special barbecue cookout for you and your loved ones. Please like, share and subscribe to Meals with Sue for the hottest happening and trendiest recipe. Enjoy this weekend. Have a good day. Bye bye.